大家好, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Savannah, who's here to help you connect to Chinese language and culture. Welcome to day 3 of 7 days to master Chinese Pinyin. To start learning Chinese, we usually start from learning Pinyin because Pinyin is a useful tool we use to help us learn the pronunciation of Chinese characters. In this video, we're gonna learn all the initials in Chinese Pinyin. If you haven't checked out our day 1 and day 2 videos, please do so and come back to learn the initials. Alright, grab your pen and notebook, let's get started. In Chinese Pinyin, we have 21 initials. I'm going to quickly go over part of the initials that are pronounced similarly to English. And then I'm gonna talk about how to pronounce those tricky ones that are quite different from English. These initials are pronounced very similar to English. Let's pronounce together. Bo, bo, po, po, mo, mo, fo, fo, de, de, te, te, ne, ne, le, le, ge, ge, ke, ke, he, he. Remember this, our ultimate goal is to be able to pronounce Chinese syllables with initials and finals and tones. Since we only talked about one of the simple finals, ah, in the last video, let's practice using these initials and ah, ba, pa, pa, ma, fa, da, da, ta, na, la, ga, ka, ha. Easy, right? Alright, so let's move on to the tricky ones. JQX. Letter J in Chinese Pinyin is pronounced as ji, ji, ji. Q is pronounced as qi, qi, qi. Letter X is pronounced as xi, xi, xi. A lot of people pronounce these three as zi, qi, si with the s sound in it. So remember, there's no s sound in ji, qi, xi. Another typical error is to pronounce them as ji, chi, she. It's easy to fix it. Let's focus on our lip movement. To pronounce ji, chi, she, we need to move our lips. Ji, chi, she. But to pronounce ji, qi, xi, there's no lip movement. Ji, qi, xi, ji, qi, xi. Next group, zhi, chi, shi, we call this group curling tongue pronunciation. When we pronounce these 4 initials, we need to curl the tip of our tongue to our upper palate a little bit. For ZH, it's similar to J in George, but we don't curl our tongue when we pronounce J in George. To pronounce ZH correctly in Chinese, we can start from J in George and curl the tip of our tongue a little bit to our upper palate. Zhi, zhi, zhi. You can actually hear me curl my tongue a little bit. Zhi, zhi. For CH, 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 ch. For SH is like sh sound in English with curling tongue. Sh, sh, sh. For R sound is For sound, my tip for you, it sounds like the ending sound of zh, ch, sh, zh, ch, sh, Let's practice zh, ch, sh with a. Zh a, zha, ch a, cha, sh a, sha. Alright, let's move on to the next group. This group is usually referred to as flat tongue pronunciation, completely opposite to the curling tongue pronunciation. In this group, we have z, c, s. For letter Z, pronounced as z. It's like the DS sound, z, in yars. And you can hear that my tongue is not curling up like zh, but for z is flat tongue. Z, z. Okay, for letter C, it sounds like c in cats. C, c, c. Next one, letter S, 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 s. For the last group, we only have two, letter Y and letter W. These two are a little special. Letter Y is pronounced as E, and it's actually equals one of our simple finals, E. Letter W is pronounced as U, equals one of the simple finals, U. And we're gonna discuss these two after we cover all the finals. Alright, these are all the initials. Let's go over all of them before we end this video. 波, 坡, 摸, 佛, 的, 特, 呢, 了, 个, 科, 呵, 鸡, 七, 西, 知, 吃, 诗, 日, 滋, 呲, 丝, 一, u. Alright, these are everything for initials. Not too bad, right? In our next video, we're gonna go over all the finals, and then we will be able to pronounce any Chinese character using Pinyin. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel for more lessons about Pinyin. Share it with your friends who also want to learn Chinese and don't know where to start. Subscribe to my channel for more Pinyin lessons coming up soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. 再见!